Welcome back to the second part of the smart home configuration with three Internet of Things devices: the coffee pot, the ceiling fan, and the lamp. In the first part, we were able to connect the Internet of Things devices to the home gateway. We connected the lamp, the ceiling fan, and the coffee pot. Then the PC was also connected, and the laptop was also connected to the home gateway. We need to have IP addresses assigned to these devices automatically. So we're going to use DHCP to achieve that. Let's start with the laptop. It should be set to receive IP addresses automatically. So if I go to IP configuration, DHCP, okay, that's already in DHCP. So we have an IP address. On the PC, we go to config fast Ethernet. So it should set it to DHCP to accept an IP address. We can see that we have an IP address which is 192.168.25.102 for the PC. So now for the other devices, that's the Internet of Things devices. If we click on the icon, if you go to wireless, it should be set to this. That's set to DHCP. So DHCP can see that the address has been assigned automatically, and the ceiling fan as well. So if we go to wireless, we have to set it to DHCP, and it's going to get an IP address assigned to it as well. So now we have all the devices connected. Okay, the coffee pot, if you go to fast Ethernet, you should also set it to DHCP, so just so you can get a valid IP address assigned to it automatically. So although we have a switch for each of the devices, a switch for the lamp and a switch for the fan and the coffee pot, we can, if you hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click on the device like the lamp, you can see that it's changing from off to dim to on. That's like the three stages that it has. That's for the lamp. Then the ceiling fan as well, if you hold down the Alt key and click on it, you can see that it's on now. If you click, you're increasing the speed, and the next one is going to turn it off. The coffee pot as well, turn it on and off. That's if you're trying to access the devices directly. So now if we go back to this activity that we have, that's the packet tracer activity, we need to set these devices to be accessed remotely. That's the Internet of Things devices should be accessed from a remote computer, a computer that is connected to the same network. In this case, we have this laptop that is connected to the same home gateway as that's the other Internet of Things devices. So from here, if you go to the lamp icon under the IOE server heading, that will go to remote server. So let's start with the lamp, then config, you go to remote server. The server address is going to be www.register.pka. the password is admin, and the username is admin. So if we say connect, it's trying to connect, and we can, let's see what's happening. That's this on the lamp. Okay, I think we have another copy of the lamp. Let me delete that. I've done that already. Okay, so let's try it again. If I go to config, I say wireless. Okay, remote server. So the server is www.register.pka, and the username is admin, the password is admin. So now we can connect the device. Register.pka, the password and the username, we have admin, and admin for the lamp. So let's see for the ceiling fan. If I click on the ceiling fan, we can do the same thing for the ceiling fan and the coffee pot. So if we go to remote server .register.pka, admin, which is the password and the username as admin, then the password also admin. We can do that for the remote server as well. We can do that on the coffee pot as well. .register .pka, username is admin, password is admin. So let's try to connect. For some reason the devices are not connecting. Let's see what's happening. The home gateway we have, let's see the configuration that we have here. Wireless, we already have an IP address assigned, a valid IP address assigned, so it means we are connected to the home gateway. Then for the ceiling fan, if we go to wireless, we also have a valid IP address assigned. We have the password and the SSID is same thing. Then okay, on the coffee pot on fast Ethernet DHCP, we also have an IP address assigned. Okay, I think we should try this. We should try doing this again. We should try connecting to the registration server once more. So let's see, we have this. The server name, the server address is www.register.pka. we have username and password. So let's say connect. It's trying to connect, still not connecting. So let's see what's the issue with let's try to troubleshoot this. Okay, the reason why we're not getting the devices, the Internet of Things devices, to connect to the registration server is because the home gateway wasn't getting the IP address from the ISP. I just checked that now to DHCP. Now we have an IP address assigned to the home gateway. So let's try it once more, starting with the lamp. So if we go to settings, we can see the username and the password. We try to connect. Let's see what happens. It's trying to connect. Let's try another device. Username, password, that's the ceiling fan. I'm still trying to connect. Now we have the devices connected. That's the Internet of Things devices connected. Okay, on the ceiling fan, if we click on it, we can see, okay, if I go to config, now it's connected. It's saying refresh. We can refresh the connection. So we have the coffee pot. Let's check the coffee pot as well, to be sure we have the devices connected. So the next thing we're supposed to do is to access the devices remotely. So we're going to do that from the laptop. So we can do that on the laptop by going to the desktop, and we go to register.pka. The address that we're supposed to, that's the address of the registration server, register.pka, this registration server. That's what we're trying to access now. So we have the username of admin and the password of admin. So if you hit enter, it's going to bring you to this, like the interface where you can manage your devices, your home devices. So we have home. Okay, we're in home now. Then if you go to the conditions, let's see the conditions of the devices. This is supposed to list out the devices that are connected, but for some reason my packet tracer has stopped working unexpectedly. So I'm going to stop here, and I'll probably do another video that will just continue from here. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe for more content like this. If you have any issue with doing this on your PC, just drop a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you.